In today's video, we are going to show you how to save any web page as a PDF using Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you want to read pages offline, share articles, or keep a copy for reference. Let's begin. For example, we are going to open this specific website. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications in our latest content. Now press Ctrl plus the P on your keyboard, and what will happen is there is going to be a new window that will appear. You can choose the orientation from portrait or landscape. You can choose from all the pages or current page, odd pages, even or custom. It's up to you. It's a matter of preferences. Now, you have more controls on the settings at the bottom. You can use a paper size, US letter, A3, and a lot more. Okay, so you can choose from fit to page width or scale. And once you are happy with all the settings, click the Save to PDF. And then, of course, click the Save button and choose a folder that you would save this PDF. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to save any web page as a PDF using Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.